Most businesses start with spreadsheets. They're simple, flexible, and incredibly useful. But as your business begins to scale, something changes. Not necessarily the amount of information you're managing, but rather the complexity of it. Customers become connected to projects, projects connected to tasks, and tasks connected to people. And suddenly, you have to manage a network of relationships. And you're doing that in Spreadsheets, a tool that was primarily designed for lists. And that's usually the point that most businesses begin looking at a tool like Airtable. Hey there, I'm Alex Knowles from automationhelpers.com, and we have helped hundreds of businesses adopt the right tools and streamline their operations using platforms like Airtable. Now, in this video, we are going to compare traditional spreadsheets with Airtable and look at the reason why so many growing businesses are making the shift away from spreadsheet systems. Now, this isn't to say that spreadsheets are bad. In fact, they are the perfect starting point for many young businesses. But as your business grows, your information starts to become more connected. Your processes are more complex, and the way that you manage those processes and your information, well, that begins to matter. So we are going to simplify what databases actually are, why Airtable has become one of the most popular no-code database platforms, and how businesses are using tools like it to build systems that are easier to manage, automate, and scale. We will also take a quick look at how AI app builders are starting to enter the space, and how businesses turn their databases, their Airtable, into custom applications without needing developers or expensive software projects. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of when spreadsheets are enough, when to opt for a tool like Airtable, and how modern no-code tools actually fit into the bigger picture of better business operating systems. But before we compare spreadsheets and Airtable, let's simplify it. Most spreadsheets are built around lists, a list of customers, a list of projects, a list of tasks. And for many businesses, that's perfectly fine. But as your business starts scaling, those lists become more and more connected. Customers have projects, projects have tasks, and tasks belong to team members. And that's where things start to get really messy, because you are no longer just managing information. You're managing the relationships between information. And that's the big difference, because tools like Airtable are built around those relationships. Instead of storing the same information over and over again, everything stays connected and updates from a single source of truth. And while that might sound technical, the outcome is pretty simple. Less duplication and less manual work, and a system that is much easier to manage as your business scales. So with that in mind, let's now compare Airtable and Spreadsheets side by side. Let's start with how each platform actually manages information. If you're using Spreadsheets, well, everything typically lives within one big table, one big sheet. You might have customer details, project information, statuses, and notes all stored together. And again, there's nothing wrong with that. In fact, for small businesses, this is the fastest way to get started. But over time, something interesting happens. Let's say one customer has 5 projects. Now, you've got that customer's information repeated 5 times. If their phone number changes, well, you guessed it, you need to update that in multiple places. And if someone misses one of those updates, well, you've now got conflicting information in the system you use to run your business. And that's where Airtable starts to feel different. Instead of repeating information, Airtable allows you to connect it. You might have an Airtable base, an Airtable system that has a customers table, a projects table, and a tasks table. Now, rather than storing the same customer details over and over again, you simply link the project back to the customer. That information lives in one place and everything else connects to it. And if you want to update the customer's phone number, like we can do here, you best believe that that updates across the entire system. From a business perspective, this means cleaner data, fewer mistakes, and a clearer visibility of what's actually happening in your business. And while that may seem like a small detail for you, this becomes incredibly important as your business grows and your processes become more complex. Now, managing information is one thing, but businesses are not run by spreadsheets. They are run by people. And that's where the next big difference starts to appear. Now, with a spreadsheet, everyone is usually working within the same file, the same document, the same sheet. Someone updates a status, someone moves a deliverable forward, someone changes a deadline. And while modern spreadsheets do a great job of collaboration, far too often, as your business gets complex, your spreadsheet gets cluttered. Not everyone needs to see everything, not everyone needs to access every field, and not everyone works the same way. This is where Airtable starts to feel more like a business system than a spreadsheet. Because while everyone is working from the same data, they don't necessarily have to work from the same view. A project manager might only see projects. A sales team might only see customers. A technician might only see the jobs assigned to them. Everyone is looking at the same information, but through a view that's relevant to their role. Now, with Airtable, that can be filtered views, specific views, or even interfaces. You can define what data is visible to who and how they interact with it. And that's an important distinction because as your business grows, the challenge isn't usually storing information, it's making sure the right people have access to the right information at the right time. When that happens, communications improve, handovers become easier, and teams spend less time searching for answers and more time getting work done. Now, having the right information is great. Having the right people see the right information is even better. But the real question is, what happens next? Because every business has processes. A new lead comes in, a project gets approved, a task gets completed, an invoice gets sent. In a spreadsheet, those steps are usually manual. Someone needs to update a status, someone needs to send an email, someone needs to create the next task. And individually, sure, those tasks don't take long. But over days, weeks, months, well, they quickly add up. And this is where Airtable starts to move beyond a tool and into a business system. Because once your data is connected, you can then build workflows and processes around it. For example, in our automations, we'll jump in. When a project is approved, Airtable could automatically create the next set of tasks. Or we'll jump into another. When a lead reaches a certain stage, it could notify the right team member via Slack or announce that in a Slack channel. And here, when a job is completed, it can trigger the next steps in our process, offboarding and sending a request for a testimonial. The important thing here isn't the automation itself, it's the consistency, building a business that works as a system. And of course, your team spends less time on tedious manual admin tasks and more time on the important aspects of your business. And that brings us to the biggest difference between spreadsheets and Airtable. Scalability. Now, when I say scalability, I'm not talking about millions of rows or records, and I'm not talking about enterprise level systems. I'm talking about how your business runs when it gets more complex. And that's because most businesses don't struggle because they have too much information. They struggle because they have too many moving parts. More customers, more projects, more team members, more processes, more handovers, more opportunities for things to fall through the cracks. A spreadsheet can definitely help you manage that complexity, but it relies on people remembering what to do, where to do it, and when to do it. Updating the right sheet, following the right process, entering information in the right place. But Airtable takes a different approach because your information, your workflows, and your processes all live in the same system. Instead of relying on manual workarounds or tribal knowledge, the system helps guide you through the process. And this is the really important shift and difference. You move from managing information to managing operations, from tracking work to actually running your work. And that's why many businesses don't move to Airtable because they've outgrown spreadsheets. They move because they've outgrown spreadsheet-based processes. The bigger the business becomes, the more valuable that structure becomes. And once you've got that structure in place, something really interesting starts to happen. Because at this point, as we mentioned again and again, you are no longer just managing information. You've created a central source of truth for how your business operates. And that's exactly what modern AI app builders should be built on top of. Tools like Zeit can take that structured information and turn it into custom applications, dashboards, portals, and workflows without needing a traditional development team. But without connected, structured information, AI can only do so much. But when your business data is organized properly, AI-powered tools can help you create experiences that previously required custom software development. So while spreadsheets are perfect for where businesses begin, platforms like Airtable help create structure and enable you and your team to get more done because you have the right systems in place. And that's where we're seeing our clients and a lot of businesses head right now. Not necessarily replacing everything they have, but building smarter systems on top of the information they already manage. So let's sign off on this and bring everything together. Spreadsheets are fantastic tools. They are flexible, familiar, and for many businesses, they are the perfect place to start. But as your business grows, the challenge usually isn't mapping your information anymore. It's managing more relationships between that information. customers to projects, projects to tasks, tasks to people, and that's where tools like Airtable start to provide the real advantage. By bringing all of these moving parts together in a connected system, businesses gain better visibility, more consistency, and a stronger foundation for automation. And that's really the key takeaway from this video. It's about recognizing when your business has reached a point where a spreadsheet-based system doesn't serve you anymore. But for some businesses, spreadsheets will continue to work perfectly. And for businesses looking to take things even further, AI-powered app builders like Zeit are opening up entirely new possibilities. The important thing here is to understand at what stage your business is at and then choose the tool that is best suited to that stage. If you were just getting started with Airtable, I've made sure to link in the description of this video some other helpful resources and videos where we look at enabling Airtable systems for your business. But if you need help designing a system that is tailored to your unique business, well, do not hesitate to reach out to us. I've left a link in the description of this video where you can receive a free 30-minute consultation today. We will help you identify opportunities to simplify your operations, improve visibility, and create systems that scale. So go ahead and book a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experts today.